What's up, guys? Shout out to the kid that I bought the engine from. Hopefully everything's good. We're just kind of tearing it apart. The beginning process. So at this point, you're gonna pull your coils out. Checked all my spark plugs, and they're wet. One of them, super dirty. That's no bueno. Don't really know too much yet, but then you got your screws. There's 6 of them up and around your valve cover here, and basically you're going to pull the bad boy apart, and you can just check it out, see how everything looks. We're missing, there we are. So that's going to go like so. But so far, just a rough estimate, rough look at it so far. Nothing looks horrible. But yeah, we're basically gonna be building this bad boy, hopefully. Alright, so just iteration. This is a G13B, single overhead cam, 16 valve. So it's a 4-cylinder, 16 valve, single overhead cam, G13B. So that's what my goal is, to build it. I got a lot of mods that I want to do to it, but we're just, that's it. So I'll see you guys around.